make something special, you just have to believe it's special.
In a world filled with content creators, there's one ingredient that sets you apart. And it's not the equipment or editing skills, though I do wish I had some editing skills. No, it's you. You are the secret ingredient. And now for something completely different, my friends will tell you why it's important to be yourself.
Is it possible for introverts to thrive in business? Oh, yes. Hi, I'm Nika Stewart, founder of Shine. While most people don't believe it, I am a true introvert. I've done lots and lots of videos. I reach millions of people, but that does not change the fact that I am an introvert through and through. For a very long time, I thought that I had to hide that fact, or more importantly, change it. To be successful, I needed to become more extroverted. I had to stop being so shy. But I didn't. I just embraced my true self. And that has been the key to my success.
How important is it to be yourself when creating content? Answer, very important. Nobody wants a stuffed shirt. Those days are over. Put your personality into your speech, into your mannerisms, and into your background. It doesn't matter that you have 80s paraphernalia, video games, or instruments in your background if your topic's something completely different. People want to know the real you. It will resonate. And also, do what my shirt says. Do what you want and ignore the haters. That's the formula, my friends.
Hey everybody, this is Florence with Equip Institute. Just want to say you are already awesome and you have a message to deliver to the world. So be awesome, be yourself, show up just as you are, bring your best self, but don't try to beat somebody else. You are one of a kind. There is none other like you. Bring your message and let us learn from you. I look forward to seeing you on YouTube.
Just wanted to come on and tell you about content creation and why it's so important for me that I embark in this journey about creating content. Number one, because it sparks my curiosity and my creativity. And I've built a community around content creators. And most importantly, it's given me a voice. And I also appreciate the value of being original.
This is Gina G, picking up the challenge to encourage content creators. And I wanted to say, when we as content creators take up the courage and have hope in our dreams and share our unique gifts with others, we give also that inspiration and that freedom to others to know that they can also follow their dreams and they can accomplish them.
Hi, this is Sunita. My channel is Success in Spirit, and I am a content creator and entrepreneur. And a big part of my message is to express your unique genius, to own your unique genius. And content creation is about expressing your inner Leo, your inner fire, and showing the world who you are. The more that you show yourself who you are, the more you stand out from everybody else who is not you, the more you magnetize those who will be for you to you.
Good day, everyone. This is Mami Lala of Mommy Guide Inc. I started doing content consistently in 2021 via live streams. And one of the things that really stopped me in the past was because I am from the Philippines and the way I speak English is a little bit different. But I've learned along the way that it doesn't really matter. The most important thing is that you are able to deliver the message or your content to the community that you serve. And that is what's most important. And mistakes are meant to happen. And you just have to, be okay with that.
What's up, guys? Hope all is well with you. My name is Tall Boy. And Roy said we got a project and we need to show people that create content. Just be yourself. You know what? Let me be honest with you. You don't need all this fancy equipment. I'm recording right now on my phone. And to be honest with you, your power is your creativity. So that's your power. So go out there, be you, be yourself, and all you got to do is just use your phone. You don't need all the fancy stuff. Just be you. Whatever it is that you want to talk about, just do you. You know what? What's the word? Creativity. That's your power. Be you.
Be your own kind of beautiful. There is no one like you. Be your own kind of beautiful. No one can do what you do. For you're fearfully and wonderfully made. No one in the world is like you. Be your own kind of beautiful. The world is waiting for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was encouraging for you. And I want you to continue on doing what you're doing because the world needs you.
You are the secret ingredient. You are what makes your content unique and why people want to watch. And so rather than copy all the other creators out there, be yourself and be amazed at the results when people find you and say, wow, that's awesome.